Hey guys. It's like 5 a.m. right now.
It's 5:13. It was pouring more than this. Oh my god, why did I just feel it leave? Now it's kind of light rain, but it's so loud.
I've had the worst sleep my entire
I've never slept worse.
I slept like my body had to like curve over a rock.
And we all woke up at the exact same time.
I thought it was like a dream when I heard the like.
And I still have such a big headache and I have to pee.
The water sound isn't helping my pee.
Yeah. So
That was just the highway.
no, are you sure? That's